Hi everybody. I have this really old Art Deco style little brown plastic box here, or Bakelite, that you would plug into a wall, and it's called the Winker. And what it is just an ordinary light bulb flasher. It's rated for 100 watts, 120 volts, and I'm gonna plug it in here and then put an old school carbon filament light bulb in here. And at first it doesn't turn on, it's open circuit, and then all of a sudden, whoa, turns on, and then it turns off, and then it turns on and off, and that's all it does. Just a light bulb flasher. And I have to correct myself, it's not exactly open circuit. Let me take out the light bulb here. This is about 120 watt. Gonna put a little 7-watt bulb in here, and you can see that thing is not gonna flash. And in fact, it's dim too. It's a lot dimmer than it normally would be. If I was to plug it straight into the wall, you can see it's much brighter there. Put it back in here, and it's much dimmer. Oops. Put this thing back in, put the Winker here, and the carbon filament bulb, and again, starts in the off position, then turns back on, and then it starts flashing. And that alone is enough to tell me what's inside this little Winker. And that is right here. Here's a 120 volt input, and then there's a resistor that's in series with the light bulb. That's why the low wattage light bulb, like a 7-watt, that would, turn on as soon as you plug it in, when this switch is actually normally open. And then the resistor is either probably a resistance wire that's wrapped around a glass tube that this thing is mounted in, or maybe it's actually, the whole thing might actually be inside a glass cylinder like that, hermetically encapsulated, and very good quality stuff. But ultimately, there's a resistor that heats up a bimetallic strip, and this thing, once it gets heated up, it closes, and that short circuits the light bulb to the 120 volt circuit. And actually, I can show you one more thing. Get a 15 watt here. 15 watt, as you will see, will be very dim to begin with. There, you can see it's got a little orangey glow, and then it turns on and it starts flashing. Let me turn off this other light. There, you can see it's kind of dim there in between the on stage. So that just shows that there's a resistor in series with the light bulb when the bimetallic strip is open circuit. I've had this thing for a few years. I bought it at flea market or yard sale. Really cheap, really old, really awesome. Thanks for watching.